Installing an optical drive and drive cage. Align the optical drive bezel with the slots on the optical drive, and then insert the bezel into the optical drive. Align the pin on the bottom of the retainer with the corresponding slot on the optical drive, and then insert the pin into the slot. Insert the other two pins on the retainer into the corresponding slots on the optical drive. Make sure the cage bar is installed in the chassis. Align the 4 pins on the sides of the optical drive cage with the 4 slots on the chassis and cage bar, and then lower the optical drive cage into the chassis. Ensure the optical drive cage is seated correctly, and then push the optical drive cage handle toward the front of the chassis to secure the optical drive cage in place. From outside of the chassis, insert the optical drive into the chassis. Slide the optical drive inward until the latch snaps into place. Connect the signal and power cables to the optical drive. Install the server cover.